Hi everyone! In this video I want to tell you how you learn German more efficiently. Number 1. Fill the language with life. Use sounds, images, anything that's available to you instead of translating. That encourages you to remain in your native tongue. Connecting words with images encourages you to think in German. Yeah? Let me show you. Das ist der Baum, der Wald. Ich gehe durch den Wald. Just immerse yourself in the language. This is of course easier if you live in a German-speaking country, but anything works. Number 2, look for and choose content that is relevant to you, that you use. Language is a tool to communicate, so if you want to understand your favorite German movie in its original version, try watching it with subtitles. Write down the words you don't understand and find out what they mean. Learn them in a context. Or if you're interested in wildlife, check out some of my materials that I do for several language levels and in different forums. You'll find the link in my bio. Number 3, listen a lot. Try to get the meaning before the words. So any auditive and visual material or real life experience will do. Watch the body language, watch the facial expression. You can often get what people mean without actually understanding what they're saying. Try to connect words to your native language or any other language you speak. Sometimes words or even languages are related. Comprehension is key to acquire a language. So you might be really good at speaking, but if a German speaker talks to you and you don't understand a word, then what do you want to say? So familiarize yourself with the sounds of German. Listen to the differences and similarities. Number 4, train your muscles. Forming a sound only works if your lips and your tongue are doing what they're supposed to do. So for some people it's really easy to imitate sounds, but for most of us it's quite difficult to create the exact sound of a letter. So in German, for example, many people struggle with the difference between a vowel and the so-called umlaut, like U and Ü. Can you hear the difference? So the trick is, when I say U, my lips are pursed and my tongue is up. When I say the German I, the I, my lips are wide and open. My tongue is at the bottom. If I want to produce the Ü, I combine these two. So my lips remain pursed, but my tongue goes down, it's at the bottom. So U, tongue up, Ü, tongue is down. There's a pretty easy exercise as well. So if you just swap between the two sounds of U and I, and you do it really fast, you automatically create the correct sound. Let me show you. U, I, U, I, U, I, U, I, U, I, U, I, U. Try to do it a little bit slower to actually practice, but this will get you the right sound. So it's actual tongue and lip movement. If you can't pronounce a letter, just find out what your muscles have to do. It's like sports. If you start running, you don't run a marathon just right the next day. But muscle memory works as well for our mouth. Number 5, you learn better when you're relaxed. Don't underestimate your psychophysiological state and everything that's connected to it. Your learning will be a lot more efficient if you learn in a non-stressful environment that creates a fun and respectful atmosphere. This will make you want to learn more. Number 6, start mixing. From the very beginning, play with the language. Talk to yourself. In your head, out loud. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just combine sentences with all the words you know. And if you get to a point where you're missing the same word over and over again, just look it up and integrate it into your sentences. Number 7, find someone to talk to. This could be a language buddy, a teacher, a tutor. Being exposed to real life German and having to react to it is absolutely essential. Even if it's hard in the beginning, do it and have fun while doing it. Ideally, you talk to somebody who can help you correct mistakes after you finish talking. So the person shouldn't interrupt you, but rather make an effort to understand you and then later explain to you what went wrong. And any good teacher and tutor can do that. From my own experience, I can recommend Preply to you, where you find online tutors for every price category. You'll find a link below this video, but as I said, anybody will do, especially in the beginning. Just speak and speak and speak. So, in order to learn German efficiently, fill the language with life. Look for and choose content that is relevant to you. Listen a lot and train your muscles. Create a relaxing atmosphere, start mixing words, and last but not least, find somebody to talk to. That's it. I hope this helps you finding your own strategy and your own learning path, and don't forget to enjoy your progress. You deserve that. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos.